What is it?
It's something you put on.
They're shoulder pads.
Shoulder pads.
Hey,
Yeah.
what's this, JJ?
A helmet.
Should we try to open it up? And what's inside here?
Two Chiefs jerseys.
A Chiefs jersey and
What else? What else?
oops.
What else is in here?
What's
And
that?
pants.
And pants.
And numbers.
And what's this? A helmet. Oh, thank you.
Wait, let's take the cardboard out.
Yeah, your head won't fit in there with that cardboard. Wow. That's a big helmet. Good thing I didn't get the next size up. I looked at that and thought that's going to be small. And I was wrong. And these are shoulder pads. Yeah.
Dad, the
Yes,
football
sir?
players take their helmet off.
Here, come here.
Yeah.
Let's put this on there.
Here, put these shoulder pads on.
Can you put them on me?
Of course. Sure. Pull your head through. Yeah. Now put your jersey on.
Okay.
Oh, this even has shoulder pads inside it.
Yep.
Cool. All right.
Get the shoulder pads
Then
out.
why did they sell us a second set of shoulder pads?
Mom.
Hey, keep your hands out. Keep your hands out. Hang on.
I don't
No.
want this.
Yeah,
Hang on.
wait, you gotta see, because then you'll look like a football player.
You look like a football player.
Wait. Leave your hands out like this. And then in there. And
Put your hands through this jersey here. Up, down. Take your hand down. Take your hand down. Take it out. Up. There. Wow.
My helmet?
yes!
Look at you, little man.
Can I have this on?
Put that on. Lift your chin up. We'll have to adjust the size. It's a little. There.
Wow.
You look like a football player.
Look at you.
Dad, do you want to play football?
Sure.
Okay. I'm Chiefs. Do you want to be the Broncos?
Prefer not to be, but how about the
Jack can be the Wildcats.
Wildcats?
Look at his pants.
There you go. I'm wearing the U of
No,
A.
I want to tackle Daddy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You want to put on pants?